What's good, internets? It's your boy Drew Starks here, back with the video for you guys, and today I have another outlet pickup for you. These, I walked in, was browsing around, wasn't really looking for anything in particular. I haven't had any updates lately from the homies who work at Nike, so just popped in to see if they got any new Nike Lab clothes, any new Nike Lab t-shirts and things like that, any new tech fleece in from last season collection. These ended up kind of being on the end caps. Super dope. They were a remix of an OG release back in the day. Nike starting to mash up the Vapormax with a lot of different uppers. So let's show you what I got. So this is what I got. Simple Nike sportswear box per usual with a lot of their mashup releases. So to keep it plain and simple, it is the Vapormax 97. Now, just to talk about these real quick, the colored Vapormax bottoms are super dope. I really enjoyed it when they did the multicolor on the Be True, the quality campaign they did with the Vapormax back in one of their OG releases. Now they're starting to play around with the color of the Vapormax bottom now that it's more branded and people know what it is. It's cool to see that they're really kind of taking the Vapormax bottom to the next level. I think these kind of colored out Vapormax bottoms do look the best. There's another release that's dropping in a couple of weeks that has a colored bottom. Our girl just picked up the all pink joints with the pink Vapormax bottom. It's crazy. They're crazy to look at. They're crazy on feet. So Nike has them retailing at $190. They're still actually on Nike.com. The outlet had them for $160. The 30% discount for half shoes. They had brought it down to about 115, 110, that area. They were on an end cap, so it was the only one. It was a size 10. So shout out to whoever returned these. I know the resale was pretty high when they first dropped, about the $300 range, and now Nike didn't sell out or sell through their inventory. They didn't play around with that sell through and restock inventory. So they go below retail on StockX and on eBay. But nonetheless, it's a super crazy shoe. All this silver piping on the 97 is all 3M. You have this black suede, the Volt swoosh, and then the silver ballistic mesh with the matching laces up front. So, not much to say. I know you guys have seen those already, but let's get to it on foot.
And each step that I take, man, it feel like the leap. Been running these laps, this might be a track meet, don't at me. I run this game, I bring the rain, we feel the pain. When our names they spray with those AKs. Clips have no delay, but all I'll take. So no, this movie ain't fake. Look, they got you right behind the lens, boy. So please know that this ain't for pretend, boy. It's sad to say up in the vague, they take your head, boy, for no good reason. Gone like troubled teeth, boy. They ain't fucking with me now. Not at all, not at all. They ain't fucking with me now. Not at all, not at all. They ain't fucking with me now. Not at all, not at all. They ain't fucking with me now.
And that is it for that shoe. I hope you guys like the way they look on foot. Tell me how you like them down below. Thank you guys for all the support again. Trying to drop some more videos for you guys. Thank you to all the fan followers and supporters. And until next time, peace.
They ain't fucking with me now. They ain't fucking with me now. They ain't fucking with you now. They ain't fucking with you now. They ain't fucking with you, kid. I'm gonna show 'em who the man now.